Ka school Sati Raja Memorial Secondary School Henin kesengi ketah ke khatsan tarik upanai nailar arjar arwar kala pelong ya kejing rakhe ya ke Independence Day hak te ke school da kejing simpen talang jongki kena school nang ta ki nohikai bat ha kejing dalang jongki kimi kapa jongki kena school nang ta ha kejing simpen talang jong orang ba shnong ke shnong patarim uba babul ren tathyang uba Vicky Melim ubri secretary shnong ikong bala kanti umba ibri principal jong ke school uba S Changdia ubri secretary jong ke Seng Rawa uba Kenjo Lang Rangtong ubri udkhot Bashir Ram jong ke Seng Rawa ubolong ha keju por block coordinator jong ke SBM homesning sianar di block nang ta ikong M Nongrum ibri gram sevika ke homesning sianar di block bat giwei layo ro yak jingshat berkejing rawai nagi kena school kumjuru kejing peniriam de kejing riam jong kinong yele light load kari India dagi kena school larwai kejing rawai national anthem bala penkiu ya kalama lairong jong kari India da ba babol ren tathyang ubade kongsan ubolong ha keju por orang ba shnong jong shnong patarim
as the national flag is being raised. Let us all salute. Let us give a salute to our national flag as a sign of respect and love. Let us clap our hands. Of our nation. He was an Indian lawyer who led our country to freedom from the British colonial rule in 1947. Let us all give a huge round of applause for Bangkok.
Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was a social democrat and author who was a central figure in India. Indira Gandhi ne Puan Jongbu Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, Indira Gandhi was an Indian politician and a central figure of the Indian National Congress. She was elected as the third Prime Minister of India in 1966 in the early 19th century. He is a famous freedom fighter from the Cossacks. Let us give a huge round of applause for James Calvin Umba. Next we have Rian Jarwa as Kukyang Namba. Rian Jarwa as freedom fighter from India who led an uprising against the British. He was hanged by the British publicly at Yau Museum in Jowai Town in West Jangka Hills district on 30th December 1862. And next we have Mumbai village is considered to be the first women freedom fighter from the Khasi Hills. Let us give a huge round of applause for Clara and Hamala. Next we have Albanian Indian Roman Catholic who founded the missionaries charity. Bhagat Singh was a charismatic Indian revolutionary who participated in the
Tirot Singh. James Calvin Umba Tirot Singh. Nga
juru khamtam ke i bang kwa ban ong hane ai khublei i ba obirani bam kwa ha kwa nglei i balaseng ya kane ka ong ka rawang adin seng ya kane ka school ilong founder jo kane ta mata so pukhiat man su ong i principal bidi kunjung i ba dadap kadi ka snikha ka jung i kunjuro kadi ka snikha ka bimum jung ka jung i ta sunai bro apeng jung i wei kemau i kemau ka jing le pha ka jung i ka jing pha ka jung i ka jing pa khat jung i namta jung i wei khamtam namta ka snong ka jung i ka ba ka le bun khamtam ki belaseng ni ka school kunjuro ni i ka jing khoj suban kila alam ka ki kemo na rawa yung le ya ka yung right internet ka don kat lang kat no ka shan snong jung i dan don kum kita ki bro rong ba ki ba alam yang ni hane te ngam do bun ikentin ane hi bulin shibun ngat te klui pi wei bodon lang hane bor khoj jai hind jai bharat